I think there was a study done once years ago of different therapists and therapeutic schools and philosophies. And the one thing that study discovered was it didn't really matter what the therapist's clinical persuasion was. The thing that mattered the most was that they cared about their client
Yeah.
and they communicated that somehow is central to the client's recovery.
Yeah.
And so you do have to have technical know-how in the healing arts, no matter what you're doing. But I think what that's embedded in terms of what you're resonating, what you're
Mhm.
sending out resonates with that place in people that helps bring them along,
Mhm.
facilitates that. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
By history, I'm not well versed in music and I'm not musically inclined, but with respect to vibrational realities, I was amazed when I learned about how tuning forks were. You could take, because I knew a guy who tuned, him and his dad tuned pianos. They were on tour with Johnny Cash and a few other bands that went around the world and took care of all their instruments. They were paid to do that while they got to travel around the world. They were piano tuners. The old time piano tuners tuned by ear. They, whereas the ones that were not really great at their craft, they would use a tuning fork.
Mhm.
I was surprised to hear that, like for example, if you took a tuning, if you're trying to tune a particular guitar string or violin string to a certain key, you tap the tuning fork being, and you hold it in proximity to the string. You don't touch it, but you hold it in relative proximity to the string. The string will begin to vibrate at the same frequency as the tuning fork and make the same sound. That's how they tune pianos,
Yeah.
and to me that was a great metaphor for an interior reality. I know that when I'm at my best doing my work, though the clients may not know it, I'm in a place where everything is in harmony within me and I have a level of preparedness or awareness in my listening and in my presence.